Rail Zip and After Run. Here's a little inside baseball for everybody. Originally, this was two products. We had Rail Zip and then we had After Run. And the little bit of the inside baseball here is that was the same product in two different bottles. And
Gotcha.
so just consolidating costs down, we're now putting it in one bottle. It is now part number PT-31. We're calling it just simply Rail Zip After Run. So no formula change whatsoever. It is all the same product. So if you let's talk a little bit about what RailZip was. RailZip, we looked at this born in the model train industry, trying to move electricity from the track to the train properly.
Okay.
All right. And now it is starting to morph into more of a contact cleaner. It's a great contact cleaner. Jim, you and I did a video summer, late spring 2005 about using this for your trailers, connecting up your trailers, keeping that connection clean. But
I have a 1965 house with a 1965 Mercury thermostat. And when it got cold, it was not acting right. And so I broke out my rail zip and put it on my heat selector because it's never on there, right?
yeah,
And so it helps it connect and stay clean at the same time.
yeah, anything where it's metal to metal connections for electricity to run through. And so you get corrosion, all that type of stuff. Stops that. And it eats through current corrosion. It'll start to clean all that up also. Here's another nice thing about it. So when you're the flexi tips work wonderful on
Oh,
this
okay.
because it's the same nipple off of our glue bottles, right? So if you want to get into even tighter spaces, throw a flexi tip on there. Okay. So this will really help you keep all those all your connections clean. Now let's talk about the after run side of it. Okay. So when you're finished using any of your 2 and 4 stroke engines, if you're letting them sit for a long time, you're gonna get corrosion on those cylinders. Put a couple of drops of this on those cylinders, okay, and this will then stop that corrosion buildup. And so then now next year, boom, you're good to go. Get those engines started up and enjoy your hobbies.
What's a good way to get it in the cylinder? Just
Pull
pull
the
the glow
pull
plug
the
or
plug off and just put a couple of drips in there, and then
crank it?
just crank it a couple times, shake it up, get the oil around all of those cylinders. So again, it's all based on stopping corrosion, allowing things to connect, allowing metal to work properly, and because then it's when it's sitting over time, we don't have that corrosion buildup.
So let's go over here just so I'm clear and look at the page. So this is the same. We go to zapglue.com and just put
Mhm.
in rail or rail zip. And
Yep.
is this actually live now?
Yep. Yeah. So up at the top, we're easy way to get there. You see where it says corrosion inhibitors on the very
Yes.
top, right there. Boom. Click on that, and it takes you right to it. You can click on that right there, and um, there you go. So we've got that older video on there. Once we get this up and running here, you and I will get updated with this video so people can see what we were talking about. And I think what I'll do then is I'll actually throw the video that you and I did about the vehicle up here
Yes. Yes.
also. So uh, if you're in the boating industry, like boats, there's so many connections with your boats, your electric motors on the front, your starter batteries, all that stuff. Get a little bit of this on there, like we talked about with trailers. Okay, anywhere that you're going to be connecting metal to metal, get some of this rail zip on there. It'll stop that corrosion.
So below there'll be a link, and in that, when you follow that, you'll find links to the glue, links to the video of us working on a trailer connection, and all the other things that you might need to know about this to utilize it in your own hobby.
You bet. Thanks, Jim.
All right, Mike. Hey, everybody. Thank y'all. Be sure and hit like, subscribe, and all the buttons, and have a great day.